Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can rearrange your home screen in Samsung Galaxy Tab A9. So if you want to open the home screen settings, just hold the finger on the display. Now you can start from the widgets. If you want to add any widget, just expand the app and hold the widget that you want to add to the home screen and swipe it to the app. Now choose the place on the home screen for it, and that's it. You can also change the size by swiping the edge. If you want to remove the widget, just hold the finger and choose remove. If you want to make any folder, just hold any app and drop onto another. Now you have a new folder. We can change the name of it by clicking on the folder name. We can add more apps by clicking the plus, or just change the color of it by clicking this small circle. As you can see, now we have a folder with the new color. Now you can go to the settings. There we have a home screen grid. If you want to change the amount of the application, the rows and in the columns, we have a 5 to 5 and 6 for 5. And we can also turn on or turn off the swipe down for notification panel if you want to open the notification center by swiping on any place on the screen. And that's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.